What's good, family? It's Trav Coop from Generational Wealth Vibes, and I'm hoping everybody is having a blessed day today. Man, you know I had to come back as promised and hit you guys with another play. So today, guys, I want to talk about a business you can start with no money at all. This is especially great for people that have, art and graphic skills, but if you don't, you still can take advantage of this opportunity the same way that I did. All I did to generate another stream of income was to put sayings on my shirt. So my shirt today says "Leave a Legacy," and I did go to Fiverr to get my logo made. But you guys, my logo here, I don't know if you guys can see it, the Generational Wealth Vibes, $25 from somebody on Fiverr. But you guys don't even need the logo. I mean, you don't really have to build a brand. You can just put sayings on a shirt or on a hat. And guys, you wear shirts and hats or whatever. I don't know if it's a phone case. You need that stuff anyway. So why not put your saying or your logo on it? Because 9 times out of 10, somebody eventually is gonna ask you, hey man, where did you get that shirt from? Or where did you get that hat? All the time. I really don't even promote my brand. I just wear it. And they reach out to me, hey, are you selling your shirts? And I just tell them, yeah, but really, I don't have a shop or anything. And they cash at me, $25 or $20 for the shirt. And all I do is go to Printful. I'll leave a link in the description, and they do print on demand. So all of these designs, I have about 10 shirts and I have about 5 to 6 hats. I go right there, it's print on demand. I have the template saved. I designed them myself, so it's not by some big time graphic designer or anything like that. It's just simple text. I designed the text on it, and they asked me about it. Hey man, I really love that shirt. It could just be the same, the words on it, not necessarily, like I said, a brand or anything, and they want to purchase it. So all you do is drop ship it straight from Printful right to the customer. And that's an easy way to create another income stream for you guys, because you gotta wear shirts anyway. I always wear a hat anyway. Phone case, you can do pants, whatever you want to do, because you need those things. So why not put your saying on it and generate another income stream? So this is a short, quick video. That's all you guys need to do to start making money. And if you do want to scale this business, all you would need to do is start your marketing campaign. Start getting it out there, and you can make more money off of it. Like I said, I don't market mine, and I still get sales off of these shirts and other shirts and hats. I started my brand a little over a month ago. I've probably been able to generate around $500 in sales, and that's without me promoting anything. I just come on my videos and I make sure that I have something with my saying on, or my logo or something like that on my hat. So I'm not really promoting it or anything, but just through me having it on, people ask about it, and then boom, I just drop ship it from Printful to their address. It's other print on demand sites, so you guys don't necessarily have to use that one. But hey, this is another opportunity that you guys can start today to start making money. So as I always say, the information is on me, the execution is on you. It's your boy Trav Coop from Generational Wealth Vibes. And if you hadn't already, go check out your boy on Instagram at Travis_GWV. And if you hadn't subscribed to the YouTube channel, please subscribe. I'm gonna keep bringing y'all game, how to create additional income streams to build that generational wealth. See you on the next one.